Hello everybody, this is Adrian for WapCar.my and I'm all about the details. Last year we were here at Perodua Alza to collect our Perodua Alza, but this year I'm back here again to collect my friends and colleagues' brand new Alza. Zamil is our editor of WapCar.my. You've probably seen him in the previous videos. He also has a TikTok channel, so please do go and follow him. So this one is the range-topping Alza 1.5 AV variant. Zamil, please share with us, why did you buy this car?
Alright, the reason why I bought this car is past 4 years I've been looking for a...
4 years?
Yeah, 4 years man.
Okay.
For that long. I've been looking for a MPV or SUV. Not big, not too small. Because to complement my hobby, which is drifting, motorsport, you know, all those stuff.
Oh yeah, Zamil is a pro drifter, yeah. Pro drifter bought this car.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, continue.
Okay, so I needed something that I can carry barang, you know, all the
Right.
stuff to events. And at the same time, I need to think ahead, knowing that I'm reaching 30 this year. Alright? So I need something like a bit more family, so by the time comes, I'm really ready to have it, you know? So I have 4 reasons I can tell you.
Okay.
Number 1, of course, I needed a space. Right? Number 2, I needed something economical, not too expensive to maintain. And also, in the long run, it will outlast quite a lot of other cars.
Yeah, good resale value as well.
Correct,
Yeah.
correct. And then,
good reliability.
and then third one would be, it has to, like complement my other car, you know, my drift cars.
Right.
Because it needs to be look like a good support vehicle.
Okay,
in that sense. Right? And fourth, of course, and I'm planning to get married, and hopefully in the near future.
Because you need a family car
Correct.
to pick your family
So I'm
around.
already all sorted out. I don't need to go out look for another car,
Okay.
spend all that hassle again. So it's already here.
What were your other options when you were shopping for a car?
Okay, throughout the 4 years, initially I wanted the Honda Freed.
Okay,
Honda
good
Freed.
choice, yeah.
Right, it's big, spacious, 1.5 automatic, kind of similar concept. to
Similar
this.
setup? Yeah, similar
Correct.
setup.
And then after the years goes by, I realized it's getting a bit old. So loans are a bit harder to get, of course. So I started looking at the Sienta, the Toyota Sienta.
Sienta, okay.
Correct. Second year.
Actually, the used car value of the Sienta is about the same
About
price.
the same,
Yeah,
exactly.
about the same price.
Correct. So similar 1.5 automatic.
So I think that this is a major upgrade compared to the Vira that you had.
Oh,
And it's
definitely.
going to be a much better daily. In terms of
Definitely.
the comfort, safety features, efficiency,
Of course.
would you say to a certain extent reliability? I mean, it's quite an old car. There's a lot of things to
Yes.
upkeep. So this one, you really don't have to worry too much about it.
One thing I like about the new Alza is the ride height. Okay, initially when I saw the Daihatsu Xenia, Toyota Veloz and the Toyota Mazda, the trio of the same car, I initially thought it will be somewhere around the height of the Toyota Alza, quite
Okay.
tall, or like the current expander, quite tall height. When I first saw it, I'm like, actually not bad. The car is quite low, almost sedan-like, and this will be easy for me to load stuff up, unload stuff.
Yeah, actually, come, let's move to the back and show you something that Zamil has shared with me before. Is that in an SUV,
Right.
the load lip is a little bit higher. Generally, SUVs have a little bit higher. But this Alza has quite a low load lip. Makes it much easier for you to like angkat your rims, tires,
wheels,
and all that. You know, you don't have to
They have to carry so
high up.
correct.
Yeah, so this is also a very practical concern.
Correct.
And if you fold the rear seats down, I haven't removed the plastic, you fold the rear seats
Manual.
down, the middle row seats, plenty of space for plenty of tires.
Exactly.
Okay, so the entire car is still wrapped in plastic, it's brand new. I don't want to be the first person to sit in the car. Leave the honors to you. Yeah, but we've test drove the car. It's fantastic. It's very quiet, great features. You get the full suite of ADAS in this AV variant. 360-degree camera, you don't have to go aftermarket.
ACC,
Everything is all there. And the Alza, when you purchase it, you get a free RFID.
Yes.
The built-in RFID.
Correct.
So a lot of people are like, hey, why there's no built-in smart tag? Yeah, it's a built-in RFID, which you have the code just in the sticker right here. So yeah, Zamil's gonna register, set the whole thing up. I would say that it's the best car under, not just MPV under 100,000, but it's the best car under 100,000.
I agree with you. Based on your previous review, and we drove up to Kota Baru for 3 days. I was sold when the moment I sat in the car, drove the car, took photos of the car. It's just everything that I need. Because there's a misconception like, oh, people like me, like motorsports and stuff, high performance car, you need a fast daily too. So there's another reason why I picked this is because if I have a powerful daily, then I would just floor the hell out of it, right? Which is defeats the purpose of a daily. So for me, I want something more sensible because I have a fast car already. Why should I own another fast daily? And driving in KL or not jam, how fast can you go?
Most important is the comfort, the refinement, fuel efficiency, the cost of maintenance is a bit lower.
Yes.
I mean, imagine if you daily your Silvia every day, how much
I cannot, man. Or even if I buy any high performance wagon or sports sedans, just defeats the purpose. So this one
is perfect.